Hey, it's Angelo Caruso. I was just reviewing the schedule for the Excellence in Laundry event, May 9 through 11 in San Diego, California. Have you ever been to San Diego? It's got the same beautiful weather every single day. And May 9 through 11, we're going to have the players from the Laundry Association and the heart and soul of the association, you, in town to treat you right and help you improve your business. Brian Wallace, the CEO of the Coin Laundry Association, and his amazing team have put together a terrific program for you, including these four keynote speakers. We've got Katie Coleman coming in. She's a former NASA astronaut. We've got Donald Cooper, who's going to help you with your succession planning, because eventually you're going to need succession for your business, aren't you? And Alpana Singh is going to help you get your social on. She's a famous restaurateur and sommelier. I will be helping you improve your most important business relationships, including existing customers, potential customers, business partners from the community, and of course, your relationships with each other. We can't wait to be with you in San Diego at the Rancho Bernardo Inn. So register now before you forget, and I'll see you in San Diego for the Excellence in Laundry event, May 9 through 11.